So hey, what's up guys, this is me Priyanshu, and in this today's video we are going to talk about how you can change your React application theme, or you can how you can toggle the theme. Like this is what we are going to build today. This is the small prototype. If we click on this, it will switch the theme to light theme, and if we click it again, then it will switch the theme to dark theme. Light, dark. So this is what we are going to build today. So let's get started by opening the terminal. I'll open my terminal and create a new React app. So I'm currently using white. You can use anything. The main logic is simple. Project name will be change theme 2. You can name it anything. I am naming it this change theme 2, and it will also be same. We will choose React with JavaScript. Okay, we will now install the packages cd change theme 2 npm install. Okay, they are done. So let's start by opening the VS Code dot. Okay, let's also run the command npm run dev. It will open up the our React application in our browser. This is the link. Let's open this. Okay, this is our current application. Okay, and what we are going to build is this is what we are going to build today. So let's get started. What we will do is, the main logic is simple. We don't have anything to do much. So what I will do, come to this index.css file and remove all these stylings from here. And what we have to do is create some predefined variables for the theme. So let's say these are my predefined variables. Okay, these variables are for the dark theme, and for light theme what you will do is data theme is equals to light, and I will paste the opposite colors for the light theme. Okay, this will be the light theme. Okay, so what we will do now, we will change we will add some styling to the body element. So let's start by adding this from here. Adding this from here, I will type out body. Background color will be this background color. Okay, and the color will be this, whatever this is, whitish color. And one more thing, I am changing the button that is in the card so that it can adapt to the theme that we changed to light or dark theme. Like this is the button. Okay, so the main logic is done, and the main and all we have to do is just switch the themes. So what we'll do is come here, I'll change this to theme, and I'll change this to set theme. Default theme will be dark. Okay, if by any chance you are not able to understand what is happening here, don't worry, I'll clear all the concepts after I switch the theme. So next what we will do is create a function to toggle the theme. So it will be const toggle theme. It will be set theme if, so these are the ternary operators. If theme equals to light theme, we will change that to dark, else we will change that to light theme. Okay, I guess you got it. If the theme is light theme, if theme is equal to light, then it will change that theme to dark, else it will change that theme to light. I am clearing these things out because by any chance if you don't know about this. So next what we will do is create a use effect. Use effect. Add the in the dependency array, add the theme variable, theme state. Okay, and in here we will type out document element dot set attribute data theme, and this data theme will be dark or light. So whatever the theme variable have, it will have that same thing, same value. Okay, so theme here, and in here the button, in this button we will add an on click function, which is not going to be this set count, it will be this toggle theme. We will copy and paste it here. Okay, toggle theme, and let's rewrite this. So we will add something like set, the same thing. If theme equals to light, then dark, else light. We will add this theme. Okay, so let's see how our app looks for now. As you can see, our app looks pretty good, and if we click on this set light theme, it will change the theme to light, and if we click on set dark theme, it will change the theme to dark. Okay, and one more thing I have to tell you, that let me first clear all the things what is actually happening here. What we did is, so what is happening here, let me explain. When you create some predefined variables for your theme, it can be like this. Let's say there are multiple themes, and this one is light, this one is red, let's say this one is, let's say, yellow. Okay, I will change the name here by yellow, red. So what this does is, what this document element does is, it targets your it is your this HTML attribute that is present here. Okay, this is that HTML attribute that it gets, and when we said set attribute, it will set this data theme attribute to this HTML tag. Okay, as you can see here, data theme dark. Okay, and when the theme is dark, it will change all the colors to these colors. Okay, these colors, and when the theme is light, it will change back all the colors to these colors. Okay, and if you want, you can change all the colors to any of your choice. Like if you want multiple themes, I have already a dark theme, light theme. If I want more themes, I can do like this. Like there's a red theme which will change the background color to red. Like if I do something like this, change this data theme attribute to just red, you can see the background is now red. And if I change this to yellow, you can see the background is yellow. And why is this happening? This is happening because in data theme I have given the value red. Like if there is red, then give these values. If there is yellow, give these values. Okay, like this. That's what happening here. And when we click on this button, on click, this toggle theme function triggers, and it changes the theme. Like if theme is equals to light, then change the theme to dark, else change the theme back to light. Okay, and that's all what is happening here. Okay, so what is happening is that when we click on set dark theme, it will change the theme to dark theme, and when I click on light theme, it will change the theme to light theme. Okay, that's all what is happening, and that's all the simple logic. I hope you understand that you can have any amount of themes, and you just have to give this data theme attribute to your HTML tag. Okay, so that was it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, happy hacking. Bye.